Hey everyone, it's Renee here with Me, You, and the Chickens. If you enjoy this video and other videos about backyard flocks and raising chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, rabbits, and goats, please hit the follow button and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you. If you want to be sure to not miss out on our videos, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos we put up. So today, I didn't think that I would be having to make a video on a topic like this, but here we are. So today we need to talk about the bird flu. I'm not going to bore you with my opinion or get into any heated debates on opinions on this, but what I'm going to tell you is that no matter what you believe, what you think, or what you feel is true, untrue, a conspiracy, no matter what your viewpoint is, this is most certainly a potential threat to your birds, regardless of its truth, if you get what I mean by that. I'm urging you to protect your flocks now. Both South Carolina and North Carolina have seen cases popping up with warnings going out from the Department of Agriculture to anyone involved with poultry production, from the small backyard flocks to the large commercial producers, should review their biosecurity activities to ensure the health of their birds. Now follow along here. Florida has seen its first case in avian influenza on February 1st, and just a week later, the USDA confirmed avian influenza in the commercial turkey flock in DuBois County, Indiana, and this finding led to the destruction of 29,000 turkeys. If you can follow where this is going, guys, and you understand why I'm telling you to protect your birds now. On February 11th, the USDA put out an article announcing the expansion of wild bird surveillance for avian influenza to include the Mississippi and Central Flyways. Avian influenza has now been confirmed in several states in the Atlantic Flyway. On February 14th, the USDA confirmed avian influenza in a flock of commercial broiler chickens in Kentucky at Tyson Foods. This means that 240,000 chickens are at risk of being destroyed, and there are other cases also found in backyard mixed flocks in Virginia. On February 16th, the Georgia Department of Agriculture has suspended all exhibitions, shows, sales, flea markets, auction markets, swaps, and meets pertaining to poultry and feathered fowl. This means your ducks, your chickens, all of it, in the state of Georgia until further notice, and put out this advisory. Poultry producers must take the following measures to protect their flocks. Move all poultry with outside access indoors. Implement strict biosecurity. Monitor flocks for clinical signs consistent with avian influenza. With HPA1, birds may become quiet, not eat and drink, have diarrhea, and have discolored combs and feet. Birds may also die suddenly with no signs of disease. Report any concerns to your veterinarian, state animal health official, or federal animal health official immediately. That was the advisory put out on February 16th. The virus has been reported in over 40 countries since July. Europe is experiencing its strongest avian flu epidemic ever. What I'm trying to tell you here is facts. What I just went over is facts. It may not be in your state yet, but it soon could be, and probably will be. Protect your birds. If you go to the USDA website, you can see all the articles and follow where it's going, but don't wait till it's too late. Take action now. I'm seeing articles in Delaware, New York, Maine, Virginia, Indiana, South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida, Kentucky. Various avian influenza outbreaks have been occurring in Europe and Asia, which led to euthanasia and poultry lockdowns. And as we can clearly see, things that break out in other countries don't stay in other countries. This is not something that you can ignore. It's not something that we can ignore. And nobody should. And I want to also mention, for those of us that are NPIP, we need to take even stricter precautions. Cover your rungs. All areas where your poultry lives and roams needs to be covered. No free ranging right now. And I totally do understand that this is a cost and an inconvenience. But these are steps we have to take to protect our flocks. Don't let this scare you into not raising your flocks. But do let it scare you into action to protect your flocks. So that's all for now, guys. Protect your birds, be happy, and do the best you can. Alright guys, till next time. Renee here with Me, You, and the Chickens. Stay safe.